थोड़ा जरा पीछे हटो कर रहा। हाँ बस
He is the Deputy Commissioner.
एक मिनट पीछे हटो, चलो इधर लगे। क्वालिटी वाला मरे सर, वन सेकंड मैं కొంచెం వెనక్కి వచ్చారా వెరీ గుడ్ లేదు కానీ క్రైమ్ కేस भी गई है वो समझ नहीं मिला थोड़ा कैमरा जरा पीछे ले उधर थोड़ा जरा पीछे ले
We will give you a soft copy.
सर वन सेकंड सर एक मिनट सर अच्छा सर कैश भी पकड़े बोल मैडम
उसका फोटो दे देगा, कैश का फोटो दे। Very specific intelligence. The Air Intelligence Unit of Customs Commissionerate. They have intercepted a passenger who was attempting to smuggle out foreign currency of 7 different countries, equivalent to Indian rupees 3.96 crores. The passenger was about to board EK525, that is the Emirates flight to Dubai, after taking the boarding pass from check-in counters and after passing the immigration and customs without declaring the foreign exchange he was carrying. The currency was placed in 6 bundles in checked-in baggage, which was sent for loading by the airline staff. Later the baggage was retrieved and the baggage belt of Emirates Airlines and the passenger who had arranged that foreign exchange flight. He was later on that.
सर you told that 3.96 crores of 7
It was in a bag which was in the checked-in luggage. One bag. He had checked in only one bag, and the bag was about to leave with him. On intelligence, we intercepted the bag.
No, sir. Actually, my question is
Currency.
which countries are there?
I can give you dollar, then Oman Riyal, then Kuwait Dinar, then UAE Dirham, Saudi Riyal, and US dollar. These 7 currencies. Checked-in baggage, which was sent for loading by the airline staff. Later, the baggage was retrieved from the baggage belt of the Emirates Airlines, and the passenger was escorted to the Air Intelligence Unit room of the International Customs Arrival Hall. On thorough examination of the baggage, foreign currency worth 3.96 crores has been recovered and it has been seized. Later, the person who arranged the foreign currency, after a chase, it was really a heroic act on part of our officers. After a real chase on the outside the airport, that fellow was also nabbed. So that is it. This is the biggest seizure in Hyderabad airport, and this is one of the biggest seizures in India this year. So we really feel very happy, our officers, and not only that, I warmly thank our colleagues from police department. In fact, they provided us the inputs, very valid inputs and very accurate inputs, which led to the seizure of this foreign currency.
Okay, accused name, sir.